At Chitrakoota Group of Institution, we conduct passion workshop every year. It says something about human relationship, communication, and public speaking. This year, there were 51 participants who were the new joinees to Chitrakoota Group of Institution. This was majorly led by our chairman, Chaitanya, and 9 other mentors who groomed each one of them in public speaking, human relationship, and also in communication. This began on 25th of April this year, and it was continued for about 2.5 weeks. And now it's time for the culmination of this workshop. So let's welcome Chairman Chaitanya to hear about Passion Workshop. Thank you.
There was a Gowda in a village, and he had got a lot of money. So he bought a Mercedes Benz. He got a Mercedes Benz and he put 2 horses to pull it. And he used to take so much of pride in sitting in the Mercedes Benz, and 2 horses were pulling that Mercedes Benz all the time. And he was very, very happy. Because he didn't know how much of horsepower was hidden in the bonnet. He didn't know there was 1,000 horsepower hidden in the bonnet. So he was very happy with the 2. Most likely human beings are very contented with themselves, their growth, their achievement, and they are very proud of whatever they have achieved and done. And exactly like that Gowda they will be going. With 2 horses. The most precious place on earth where huge potential is hidden, unused, is graveyard. That is the place where all the unused potential is buried. Because we hardly use a small fraction of our capability. We hardly maximize a small factor of our capability. Most people will not accept or can accept that I'm actually a very big believer of God. People don't kind of believe. I don't think so. He seems an atheist. Let me tell you another story. Assume I have a beautiful girlfriend. Do a good job. Assume her to be very beautiful. And I take a rose with lot of love. And I go to her. And I kneel myself and offer her a rose. With a smile, with lot of love. She picks up the rose, throws it down, puts her feet on it, does like this, and walks away. How would it make me feel? Heartbroken, disrespectful, crushed like that flower, insulted, wondering, should I love this person? Is she worth my love? God gives us this potential to us to maximize with so much of love. This intellect, these emotions, this ability to become a far better human being and to contribute, He has given me with so much of love. If I take it to graveyard, it's such a big insult to Him. Such disrespectful, such crushing to Him. I gave Him all this thing with so much of love. This bugger just wasted. Didn't do anything about it. He loves me so much that He has given me freedom to waste it. I can waste my life. You can waste your life. That's a symbol of his love. I love you so much, you want to waste it, waste it. But I'll give because I love you. Can I be grateful to his huge love? Each of you have got a lot of inputs, which is just the information. Can you mull over it, make it your knowledge? Can you practice it and make it your wisdom? Can you believe in it and make it your conviction is up to you? Or else it's one more information you have. Oh, ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं, बोल सकते हैं. HR card can be used as one more set of informations, one more set of knowledge you can take pride of, which is of very, very little use. I'll draw a line which I said, the quality of your life is defined by the quality of the relationships you have in your personal and professional life. So concentrate a lot on the relationship. Make this so beautiful, so loving that your quality of life improves. I wish you all the very best to blossom. This is just a start. Only if a student is ready, the master would appear. So if you're ready, somebody plays a master role, somebody will play a mental role. The ball is up to you and it's in your court only. I wish you, bless you, pray for you to maximize yourself in all dimensions. Physical, mental, emotional, intellectual. To talk about mentors, my mentor is to say, all animals are given the ability to fetch food for that day, and that's all. There is nothing more any animal can do, be it an ant or be it a lion. Its ability is to make sure that I can strive hard to get food for today. Survival is all what any animal can do. But God loves us so much, human beings. He said, what today? I'll give you so much of capability. You can make sure that you can survive for many number of years. Not only you, you can make sure your family can survive. Your next generation can survive. Ability is only given to human beings. Why has He given this ability? Only to human beings. Because He believes we are meant to contribute. We are the only species who are capable of accumulating so much that we can contribute. That contribution can be in any ways. Need not be financially only. In any ways. Because I am capable not only to do my job or write my own script, I am capable of making 20 others write their script. Why is that capability given to you? Because He loves you so much, madly. And I'm very happy that you people got an avenue to contribute and to feel good. As much as I want to say thank you from the side of fraternity, I also want to say you're lucky, you got an avenue, you got an opportunity, and you used it, and you made a significant contribution. To become happy is to make someone happy. To feel great is to make somebody grow. And all of you definitely are enjoying that growth. Wonderful. Thank you for making this wonder happen. The last thing about passion I would like to say, if you think, what is the job of the honeybee? Anybody can answer, what is the job of the honeybee? To collect honey so that you can eat? You really think so? You really think the honeybee's job is to go spend the whole bloody life to collect honey so that you can have one spoon? That's how it comes across. For a layman, it comes across like it is collecting honey. It is connecting honey. But basically it is doing pollination, taking from one flower to another flower, making that crossing happen, so that because of that, another fruit comes up. Because of that, another seed comes up, other tree comes up. If only honeybees wouldn't have been there, the trees wouldn't have multiplied. But a layman feels this honeybee is just going to a flower, picking up honey. For a layman, it will look like it is about public speaking. Passion is all about public speaking. Passion is all about giving you HR principles. That's how it comes across. We are truly trying to make each of you a better human being. We are here to serve the mankind with better human being, because we know if Nayana becomes a little better human being, she can churn 30 better human beings in her classrooms. It comes across like we are making you give talk. It comes across like we are trying to ask you to reflect on HR cards. Truly, we want to make you a better human being. That's the idea of having passion. And mentors have spent about 20 hours of their lives. I have probably spent about 10, 12 hours of my life to make you a better human being. I really wish and pray you carry the learnings. Even 5% of the learning becomes your conviction. I think that's the best reward you could give. Thank you, everybody.